Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh. What do you think was gonna happen?
Fucking gross. Can you try to keep your hair out or?
Oh, hold on. Let me.
Oh, it's coming out regardless.
There you go. That's perfect.
Just be careful with the squirt.
Yeah, I'm trying to stay away from it.
It's mustard. It's disgusting.
Oh my god.
I can see how much smaller it's gotten already. Oh.
Oh, dear God.
That's bad.
Oh, there goes the cheddar. Nothing but cheese.
She should pop it in all my stores. She has popped it. Look at this. Shay will be so happy. It's not. Like, oh my. Oh my goodness. I've never seen anything like this.
Between the video clips. These are actually looking like diamonds of blackheads, and I'm trying to extract them with my comedone extractor. After removing all of the comedones, you can see the empty pits. While I was removing these pellets, one of them dropped on ground and there was a molluscum sitting over there that started licking it. And now you enjoy these the remove while I'm extracting these comedones. You can see the close view, and these are the comedone which have been removed here.